Watch out, Michael J. Fox. A group of students from Fairfax County's SACC program gave the movie Back to the Future a run for its money. In the student video production titled Time's Destination, a group of students build a time machine and travel back into time to claim a prize, only to learn later that there were consequences to their actions.
What was that?
Whoa. Dude, did you see that?
Danny Commander, a faculty member of SACC, produced and directed the movie. Under his supervision, students of the program had a chance to become actors, videographers, light and audio technicians during the project.
It was like a passion to them, you know. Some days I would be like, hey guys, let's take the day off, you know, so you guys get, no, Mr. Danny, we want to film, you know. It became a passion to all of us. So.
I didn't realize how hard it was. I didn't realize how many takes you had to take. There was one specific take that's, I think it's about maybe 3 minutes, and it took us maybe an hour because we kept retaking. He had to make sure he had a specific shot. He had to make sure that your body was in the right place. He had to make sure the words were coming out correctly. He had to make sure the expression, the camera, the lighting. I was like, oh.
I didn't do anything. What in the world? Very natural, Desiree.
After a year and a half of production, the movie crew received the red carpet treatment at the Cinema Arts Theater.
But these are skills that they can have for the rest of their lives. Working hard, persistence, having creativity. So I'm really excited to be here and to see all the work that they've done so that I can applaud them.